Hi and welcome back to another video. Today we are taking a look at Facebook and how to add a follow button to your profile. This is a super quick trick just to basically increase your followers in Facebook. If you find this useful, please do click the like button, and with that said, let's jump on over to Facebook. Okay, so here I am just inside my Facebook profile on the desktop, but this will also work on your mobile apps as well. So the first thing that we're going to do is actually just navigate over to the settings section. So I'm just going to drop that down here and click on settings and privacy. From here, I'm just going to click settings, and this will load up settings for the Facebook account. From here, what I'm going to do is actually just jump down to privacy to start with. And then we're going to see the second option here where it says who can send you friend requests. Currently this is everyone, but first we need to actually change this to friends of friends. Okay, and the reason for that is obviously it removes the add friend button from your profile, and what we're going to do is replace that with a follow button instead. Obviously if they are a friend of a friend that would like to add you, they also have both the follow and the friend buttons, but we want to make it as easy as possible for the masses to follow us. So the next thing that we're going to need to do is actually, now we've removed that friend button, is add the follow button. So to do that, we want to actually find the public posts just down here, and then we can see here it says who can follow me, and this is currently set to friends only. What we want to do is actually change this to public, and now what we've done is we've removed the add a friend button and replace that with a follow button. And guys, it is as simple as that to basically remove that add friend and replace it with a follow button, and you'll be able to increase the amount of followers that you get in Facebook. If you found this useful, please do click on the like button, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.